Hello, my VIPers. Welcome. This is the VIP project for March. In this project, we will be making this card. You will get a card kit in the mail. The card kit will look like this. Inside the kit will be, let's see here, an envelope, a card base, a piece of embossed black cardstock that is 4 by 5 1/4, a strip of some black and white pattern paper. You could use whichever side you like. This is a scrap from my black and white paper stash. And then this thin cut, and this is the scalloped circle thin cut. I have already stamped on it for you, so you're all good to go. You will just follow along and assemble your card. I don't even think you need to see instructions. Y'all have plenty of card making experience that I'm sure you can figure out how to put this together. I used this falling dot embossing folder from a couple of years ago to emboss that black piece of cardstock. And the stamped images are coming from, again, the stamp of the month for the month of March, called Winged Masterpiece. It's quite lovely. There's a big butterfly and a big dragonfly, some little flowers and some words and sentiments. It's a very nice stamp of the month. And of course, if you are a VIP, you get to buy that for zero if you spend $50, and then I think $5 if you're under $50. So this is one that I had made as an example, and I have some pieces to make another one here. We will use some black ink. This is what I use, just plain Jane old black ink, and I am stamping Lucky to Call You Friend. Then there's this little swirly stamp that I thought was really cute, and we'll throw that on there. And then this little flower, and I'm stamping it in one direction, and then I'm rotating it and stamping it in the other direction, just like that. Super easy. Close this up. Now this video, I will send you the link to this video. If you're my VIP, it will be a private video for a while, probably a few weeks, and then I will make it public for people to see the card design. Of course, they don't get the free kit in the mail. That's something that is special that I do for my VIPs. Using my tape runner and typical card base, 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. So you want to line it up with a border around the whole thing. Then you can choose where you want to put this strip. If you want to put it this way, if you want it up top, if you want it toward the bottom, I'm going to line it up sort of in the middle. I am sort of eyeballing. Let's see, 2 inches, 2 inches. 1, 2, oh yeah, right around here, and I'm just slapping it on there, not trying to get it perfect. If you want to measure, go for it. Take your scissors, flip it over. This is a different card base. It's not the same that you have, but a card base is a card base is a card base. So you trim off, because I left that piece of pattern paper long so that you don't have to be perfect with it. You can slap it down and call it good. And then I'm going to leave this flush, but you certainly can pop it up if you have some dimensional adhesive. Use that. But I thought I would just leave it plain Jane and flat. I know that there's no trouble mailing it if it's lacking in dimension. And that's the card. Super sweet, super easy. I love the texture that the embossing folder gives. My original prototype did not have that, and it's a nice looking card, but I really think there's a difference with that texture. It just adds a little something something. So I hope you enjoy making your VIP card kit for March, and have a blessed crafty day. I'll see you next time.